Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 6. The chapter which we are related with is accounting ratios, and you can see that this is a little different question. There will be a very short time needed to solve it. ABC Limited sell goods for cash, not installment. Following particulars. Look at here. Average collection period or debtor turnover period is needed. Average collection period or debtor turnover period. This is the only formula which is needed to calculate debtor turnover period. Alright guys, for that we know the formula. We need average receivables, and then you will be dividing it with net credit sales, and finally you may multiply it with 360, 365 or 366. So this is our formula for debtor turnover period. Now our question is suggesting how many receivables are there? Book debts, these are debtors. Please understand, book debts, debtors. And only closing debtors are given. Bill receivable, these are also account receivable, and only closing are given. It means these are receivables, and there is no need to calculate average because opening is not given. Only closing bill receivable, closing sundry debtors are given. This provision for doubtful debt is for any bad debts in the future. So it is unnecessary, and student from whom I have taken this book had already crossed it. So there are only two elements related to average receivables. So first we will calculate average receivable here, and for that there are two values. One is 20,000, bill receivable is 4,000. So 20 and 4,000. It means 24,000 would be average receivable. Now you can ask your question, why we haven't calculated average? So I have already informed you that opening and closing are not given in the question, only closing. So it means average is not possible to be calculated. One part of question we have solved, and second we need to get net credit sales. And how do you calculate your net credit sales? For that you need gross sales, then you will subtract any sort of return, and then you need to subtract cash sales. Alright, this would be our formula for net credit sale. Let's see what elements are given in our question. Yes, gross sale is given 2 lakh. We will be putting 2 lakh. Then you need to see if returns are given. Yes, returns are also given 12,000. Just put 12,000, and then we need to subtract cash sales, and here cash sale is also given 44,000. So just put 44,000 over here. So in this way our net credit sales would be calculated. Values we have already determined, and here we are going to put it on calculator. Alright guys, we have our total net credit sales 144, and then we have our average receivables 24,000, 144,000, and we are going to put it over here. Average receivable 24,000. Then we have our net credit sales 144,000, Let's put our divisor over here first, and then we need to assemble them, both of them. Let it be assembled again. Alright, then you need to multiply it with 360. So guys, in this way our formula has been completed. Let's make a little more space for it. Alright, so put it on calculator. First 24,000 average receivable divided by sales, net credit sales, and multiply it with 360. So we have got 60 days as our answer. Let's check it out. Look at here, 60 days. So we have got our answer of debtor turnover period, which is average receivable divided by net credit sale. Average receivable calculated here, net credit sales calculated here, divided, and then we have multiplied it with 360. So guys, in this way our question has been completed. This question, requirement of this question was just one formula, average collection period, and it has been completed. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.